Welcome back, guys, to Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about Ankr, and I have a great news for you. But you also have keep in mind the road to $1. It's more than unreal for this year. Let's jump into the charts. First of all, you have to note that all this pump on Ankr, what we saw in this year, more than 200% pump, it was just by news, so a partnership with Microsoft. So it's cool. It's cool because, first of all, this product is really useful in real life. So this coin got real utility. So it's a plus for this coin. Can this coin reach $1? So let's be more realistic. So let's take a look. Ankr. What I like on this coin is total supply and a maximum supply, and 97% of all coins in circulation supply. So it's good. That's why we won't see the massive dump on this coin. But let's be realistic. 10 billions maximum supply. To reach $1, we have to see almost 10 billions market cap. It means the Ankr have to be over than Solana, for example, because Solana market cap now less than 9 billions. Higher than Polkadot, Shiba Inu, Litecoin, Tron, Avalanche, Uniswap, Chainlink, Cosmos, and many others. That's why, just to be honest, I don't think so. Ankr will reach $1 this year. Maybe in the next cycle, what I already explained you, when the total market cap of all cryptocurrency industry will be around 5 trillion or even 10 trillions, yes, maybe we'll see Ankr in top 20. But to people who now start shove the video about Ankr, the road to $1 because of Microsoft, I don't think so. I don't think so. We have to be realistic. So let's take a look on the chart. First of all, what we can see, we got monthly gap. What we can potentially come back and close, because we didn't even test the 50% of this gap. That's why if we'll see the dump once again, the road will be to at least 50% of this gap. It's 0.204. It's not necessary, so we have to come back and close this gap, but if we see this dump, it will be exactly 27 zone. Now we just bounce at 18 level by FIB. Look, what we can see next. I draw this resistance downtrend line because of line chart. Here's a line chart, top, rejection, rejection. That's why most likely the top for Ankr this year, or maybe 2024, I'm expect at 0.5 level by FIB is 13 cents. This more than real. This is more than real. So from 18 level, it's over than 700% gains. So it's cool. It's more than good for a bear market, because we're still not in a bull run. That's why this target, it's untradeable. We got just the two top, and this zones is untradeable. That's why we have all chances to see. Now we get a reaction at 0 level. That's why we can easily bounce and reject at this gap, come back and continue rally to 0.5 level FIB, breaking out this FIB and come back down once again, or hold the line and start climbing higher. So everything depends of sentiment on the market, the macro in the world, the news, the regulations, and the Bitcoin. But the middle term targets for Ankr is 13 cents. Is it too late to jump in the macro Ankr? From this current price, we can see to the targets 193%. So it's only up to you to invest in this coin or not, because I don't think so we'll beat this previous all-time high and going skyrocket to 32 cents or even 50 cents. To get a 50 cents, we have to see the market cap around 5 billions. Yes, so it's, for me, it's more unrealistic than more than real. So this is a quoted FIB, and we also have untradeable zones where we can come back and trade it these levels. So it's a gap between 0.018 till 0.017. So easily can come back and trade this zone. So it's hard to say how high we can pump in this year, but you also have to keep in mind this scenario. So here is a top, here's a potential bottom once again. So it was about the technical analysis for this coin. So let's take a look what my indicator shows now. So ADZ direction, like usual, we got here overbought level now on Ankr, but can form this 3 waves and can easily see the 3 waves on the chart to this target. Still will be in a downtrend, rejection, and capitulation down, and start forming this divergence, on ADZ on weekly time frame, because we don't see any accumulation stage. So only accumulation was for Ankr in November 2019. So all the story is distribution. That's why they can easily pump this coin so high and start redistribute once again, and then drop it down to this target what I showed you here easily. And only after that we can start forming the divergence on a weekly time frame. So higher lows on ADZ. So this is how it works. On a monthly time frame, yes, still just distribution. So we didn't see any signal to accumulation for this coin. That's why for me it's kind of scary to invest now in Ankr. That's why I didn't buy this coin. So crypto flight direction on a weekly time frame, we got here accumulation stage. From May, somebody started accumulate a lot. Maybe they insider traders and they knew something. So from here May at 3 cents, almost at 4 cents, till here to 1 cent, somebody accumulate a lot. So now we didn't see signal to sell. We just got only one signal to buy on the weekly time frame in January. On a monthly time frame, we didn't even touch at the bottom. That's why, yes, most likely we will see something of what I showed you before on FIB. So go back to next indicators is market mood. Here's an overhyped mode. So 3 tops here in March, April, May. We drop once again distribution time in November. Now the accumulation was from April till August and from September till January. That's why, and that's how you can use the my indicator set. And market mood, it works perfectly well. And here's what I don't like also on the chart. We didn't see any signal to buy Ankr on a monthly time frame. It's all distribution. Trade on indicator, what we can see here, we got here signal, strong signal to buy in February 2022, then 2 signals to sell and 2 signals to sell confirmation. Now we just see signals to close position. So no signal to buy. We need to see something like this one to see the pump, That's why only signal to close position recommendation. On a monthly time frame, only 1 signal to sell. So no signal to buy. That's why for me it's not a good investment now, even with all this news with Microsoft. What we can see on take profit indicator. Here on the daily time frame, yes, most likely it's for swing traders. Like usual, we bounce from the buy line. Here, buy line pump 55%. And if you hold from this moment till the Microsoft news, you can get around 300%. So it's cool. What we can see next, we can easily drop to the 50% of this range once again if we'll see the correction on a Bitcoin and on altcoins. But also we can continue growth because on a weekly time frame we still We still got chances to, we're breaking out the buy line, so we have a chances to test this area, 9 cents and 10 cents. With weak candle maybe till 13. So easily. That's why we have room for growth to this target and then come back down to test once again buy line or fundamental price. Guys, I hope you liked this video about Ankr. Write please comment what you think about this coin in general. Do you hold this coin or not? Do you have a plan to accumulate this coin or not? And if you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.